So what a good software team wants is anytime a change is introduced is to make sure that the old features are still working as they should. And the way you do so is by writing automated tests. You either hire an external person like a QA engineer to run those tests for you. And this is good, but sometimes it has issues of communications and obviously the extra cost that you're paying. Or you can have your engineers write those tests themselves. The problem with that is it's very distracting to do so. Honestly, as an engineer, it's really boring to do so. And more importantly, they're very hard to maintain. What really should be happening is for the product owner that owns this feature is to be the one that writes and maintains those tests. The problem with that is there's no easy way to do it, and that's what we're solving here. They can write those tests in English and also maintain them. And let me show you how. So first you specify where those tests are going to run. So we want to run them on Hacker News. And as you see, we're going to get a pop-up here that's going to specify the correct schema, as well as if it's a known website, what the URL should be. Then you describe the task. So I want to click on the jobs section in the nav bar, navigate to the jobs page, and then confirm that the job load, and then click on a job and navigate to it and confirm that it works. I'm going to tab out, and what you're going to notice is we're going to get a better description with less spelling mistakes, as well as a title. So I'm going to start this task, and what you're going to notice is we're going to see the actions that the AI is taking as it's going through, as well as a more technical log, and then the steps that are being taken. So if you notice here, it's clicking on jobs. On the section, you're going to see that it's highlighted here. That was successful. Now it's clicking on the jobs. And while it's working and maintaining this, and one thing I want to say is if it failed for whatever reason, you actually see the failure reason, and it tries to reason about why this happened, and try and take different ways, just if there's a small UI change where it really shouldn't be a bug. The next thing I wanted to show you is the settings, where you can add a username and password whenever it runs, the schedule that it should run by. A feature that we're working on is creating a Jira card with the video recording if you want an engineer to do so. Or what you could have is have the AI look at the past commits since the last successful run and determine what the code change could be to fix that. What you could also do is have a chatbot and try and understand anything that you see on the page, or actually change some stuff from it. So I want the test to create a PR and a Jira card, and also run it every Tuesday at 7 a.m. It's going to take this English and also change that in here. So this is the cron job, and then those things became true. This is just scratching the surface of what's possible. I think there's a lot of really cool things that we could do here, as well as make the actual task management and checking the QA part a lot cleaner.